Cool Story Bro, and today's video I'm going to unbox my new PC case. Now this is a Prodigy M. I got this off a site called overclockers.com, and this was the last one. There's different models, there's different colors as well. If you're a big fan of colors for your cases, there is different colors. These are selling like hotcakes. I mean, literally, this was the last one. I'm so happy that I got this. Amazon was completely out of stock. So let's get to the unboxing of a Prodigy M. Now you can see the actual case. This is the Prodigy M. Looks beautiful. It comes with the instruction manual, which I love the design. And it just basically tells you the ports and what not to do with this case and how to actually open the case without actually breaking it. And the control panels such as the power button, restart button, headphone jack, microphone jack, and of course, super speed USB 3.0 ports on the side, which is awesome. Let's take a quick look at what we actually get when you actually buy one of these. So this is awesome design. I love this design. A good thing is you can actually pick it up like this, which is really awesome. Now on the top of the design, we actually got this ventilation. Now on this case has got so much ventilation because it's a small computer case. You're probably thinking, has it got so much ventilation? And it has, because you don't want your PC to overheat and kind of just blow up all your graphics and stuff like that. On the side, you've got two USB 3.0 ports, which is really nice. Headphone jack, a microphone jack, and of course the power button, which is on the side as well. Some computers actually have them, like on my old one, it has it on the front. This one has it on the side, which is really nice, and it's the same material as the case itself. On the other side, you've got this glass, so you can actually see inside. So when you put all your parts inside, you can actually have light up neons if you wanted to. For me, I don't know if I'm actually going to go for that. Who knows, because some of my old computer parts in there do actually light up, so I don't know if I'm actually going to go with that, because I do have a light up table, I do have a light up mat, and I don't know, maybe I will, maybe I not, but you can actually see all your computer parts. Like if, you know, with the water cooler, I've got a water cooler as well, so you can actually see all them inside, which is awesome. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to actually have a look inside it. Like it says, this is the case. It hasn't got my parts in it. Just want to see inside and how it is. You will need a screwdriver. You can actually see me unscrew it with my hands, but with the first installment to get this off, you have to use a screwdriver. And then all you have to do is just basically do the lock that you can actually untie in it without the screwdriver. So I'm just gonna actually take this off. Now it's kind of like a sliding mechanism. So what you do, make sure the screws are off, like so. And then there we go. That bit is off. As you can see, we're inside, and you get like this cardboard box, which is most probably all the tools. So I'm not really actually going to rip it and get it open. I'm just going to try and kind of get a little sneak in it. So guess I should have took the little sellotape off. There we go. So yeah, these are kind of all the tools that you would need, as you can see. So that's really nice. And cables to hook up the graphics and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to keep them safe. So yeah, that's inside, as you can see. Got a looks like a fan over here. Looks like we've got a double fan actually. So there's a fan here, and then there's a fan here where you can see. And that's about it really inside, I guess. Yeah, you can really see the fans. I'm going to do a video how it looks. My graphics and everything that I've got in my old computer at the minute will fit into this beautiful case, because this case is beautiful. I mean, literally, it's gorgeous. You can get them in different colors as well. You can get them red, orange, white. So thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoy, and stay tuned to the project of making this into my official gaming computer.